Yo, so happy new month and new week, guys. So last week we caught a very nice sell on AUDJPY that made us to pass not like pass but have over okay, the profit was $475. So I remember the phase two I'm looking for was just to get $250, $250, but I have in profit $383 already. Now, why I have not passed the challenge is in Goat Funded, you need to make 0.5% of your capital for 3 days, for 3 good days before you'll be eligible. So I've already made profit in 2 days, remaining 1 day. So whichever trade I'm taking now is just for me to make 0.5%, and 0.5% is 0.5% is 25 oh sorry, it's $25. It's $25, right? So let's do it. Zero. Okay, let me start afresh. 5,000 times by 0.5 is this divided by 100. So I'm just looking for I'm not looking to make $25 today or tomorrow, any day. Then I will pass the challenge and I'll get funded. So I've been backtesting a particular model which I want to like integrate into my trading, and I think I'm trying to focus on it, and it has to do with something like this. Now, when you see a market create a high and pull back to take out the high and then break structure, something like this. This is a complete leg. We have an inducement, so this place can actually serve as an inducement, and this place can serve as a break of structure. So when this happens, let's say it happens in 1 hour time frame, I can switch to my daily time frame to mark a particular point where market is going to reverse from, and that is when I switch to my daily time frame, I will change my charts to line charts, something like this, and then I will mark the point where market has tendency to reverse from. Now let's say I mark here, for instance, or maybe there is a point here, I mark this place. I'll wait for this market to like pull back to it. Once market pull back to that place in daily time frame, I will watch whether that particular point, whether market is going to reject it. If market start rejecting it, then I will now go down to my 1 hour and wait for a change of a trend, and then I'll enter itself, take out this low. So I've been backtesting this thing for some time now and trying to like implement it. Okay, so this is Euro USD. So what I will do is I can go to my higher time frame, like okay, let's say something like this, for instance. Look at this place. We have inducement here, we had a break of structure here. Do you understand? This is like 4 hours. Now what I will do is I will go to my daily time frame. Now let me mark it here. Let me put this so I will know where we are. I'll go to my daily time frame, and I will change this chart to a line chart. Then I will mark out the zones that I feel like market is. Remember, we had the break of structure here. I'll mark out the zones. We have one here. We have one here. So I will switch back to my candlestick chart and see what is happening. Now, as you can see, this after this break of structure, we have one point here, we have another one here. I wait for markets to like pull back and start rejecting. See this rejection, this first candle pulled back and rejected that place, so which is somewhere here. So let me go down to my 1 hour and see whether we can find an entry that place. That is this point now. Then I will, let's see what we have there. Okay, now look at it. We have market structure shifts. We have an inducement, which is the first pullback, and then market reacted from the other block. So something like this. So far you are following the trend. These things play out at least 7/10, and you will target the low where the whole pullback started. Something like this. So this is what I'll be looking at. I'll be checking whether I will master it very well. I'm still like kind of back testing it. Let's see how it goes. Well, if I get to understand it very well, it will be a nice one. So today I'll be hoping, and I entered this particular one. I have a suite of liquidity, break of structure, inducement, and other block. So let's see whether we can make a 0.5% today. Once we hit 0.5% today, we are good to go, and we'll be funded. Then we'll start trading the funded account and see whether we'll make withdrawal. So I will keep you guys updated. All right, bye.